I always thought the fridge light turned off on its own, but at 3 a.m. last night, I finally caught him. This tiny gremlin was literally hiding between the milk and the pizza, manually flipping the switch. Drop a sub right now so your account and your fridge don't explode next. So I brought a burning candle to get a closer look, and everything literally blew up. Chaos everywhere, the kitchen is ruined, but it gets way worse. An angry Roblox grandma just walked in. I am officially cooked. Wish me luck in the comments.